Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's prepare oats apple smoothie for breakfast. So you will need one chopped apple, 2 tablespoons of oats, few ice cubes, ground flaxseed and honey to taste. Add everything into a blender along with required amount of water and then blend everything until smooth. Your delicious breakfast smoothie is ready. It's super filling, super healthy and super tasty. I have topped it up along with a little bit of chia seeds and raw cacao nibs to get that crunch. And then enjoy. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching.